It may sound a little bit strange to hear what qualifies me for this, because I'm somebody who has never learned how to make films. I was never assistant somewhere in the industry, nor was I ever at film school. And since I grew up in a very remote place in the Bavarian mountains, we had to flee from bombardments of Munich. I had no running water, for example. We had no, we had electricity, not all the time. We had only an outhouse as a toilet. And I did not see films until I was 11. In fact, I was not even aware that cinema even existed until I was 11. It's hard to say what I hope from your side. I do not know who you are. I do assume that most of you are younger than I am, obviously, and that you are aspiring filmmakers. And of course, I know there's something I can pass on.
The terrible thing is, it was like meat in a butcher shop.
Who are you, Timothy? Who are you, Amy? And what happened to you?
I'm curious, and I still keep learning. I have done good battle, I mean real good battle, and have my scars and have my defeats. Somehow you may see me as an example. How do you survive in this industry? How do you still, against all adversity, are capable to make films? You see, that's the kind of man you have to deal with if you want to look at my masterclass about directing movies. Ultimately, my own goal is to be a good soldier of cinema. And if I can inspire one or two of you out there to become a good soldier, then I have done everything I should do here. I'm Werner Herzog, and this is my masterclass.